welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to link your Telegram account to your TikTok. So the first thing you have to do is to tap on your profile. On your profile you just have to tap on edit profile. So you're going to add the link to website. Though I have done it before, that is why I have a link there, but I'm going to edit it after copying the link from my Telegram account. So let's head straight, navigate to my Telegram account. So on my Telegram account I just have to tap on the three dots at the left corner of my Telegram interface, tap on my profile. So on my profile I have to tap on the right corner, the three dots at the right corner, then I copy the link to my profile. So now I have to head straight to my TikTok account and tap on the website option. So when I tap on the website option, I just have to edit the link I already have there, and then I paste. Okay, now I can now save it. So guys, that is it on how to link your Telegram account to your TikTok. So if this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.